I saw the IOL. You know, I was so angry when they showed the video that the boy, that Regan is his name, that he's innocent according to them. But it's so easy for a journalist. It's embarrassing. Can't you see the video has been tampered with? There's only one way to see if a video has been tampered with. You look at the time. If the time, that's why when I have an important interview, I'll put a clock behind me. So if you tamper with a video, you can't tamper with a clock. So you can't tamper with the timer of the video. So go back and watch that video and you see how the time jumps. They'll make the people that's not from the street, they'll make you stupid. We know these things. You will not make us stupid. That video has been tampered with. Let me tell you, I saw the original video. This boy is guilty. I'm saying this to you today as Gayton McKenzie. He didn't shoot the girls. He didn't shoot the two girls. He shot the cops. The other two, they caught one, and other young man they're looking for, I know his name. He shot the girls. In fact, this one called them, come, shoot, come. So don't talk things that you should not know. There's no innocent here. We are tired of gangsters killing a girl. My daughter, Kenya and Zara, or Chloe, or any one of my daughters, I'm going to handle this matter the same way I would have handled it if it was Chloe or Zara. I'm going to make sure I follow up. Those are innocent girls that has been shot. Have some empathy. Die laities, hulle gaan tronk toe. Ek kan jou dit vertel. Ons gaan hulle almal laat gearresteer word. And I'm going to make sure the case follows. So there's nothing about innocent here. Hulle het hy kinders geskiet soos honde. If that was my children, ek sou nooit die sak gelos het. Why must I do that if those parents voted for me? So I must stand back now. There's no innocent. These are killers. These young boys, they are killers. I'm telling you today. We also know who makes the bullets for them. You will be shocked. Kerkmense wat vir hulle bullets maak. The police are on top of this matter. You'll see names that's going to jump out of this thing. Who makes bullets for them? The guns of the cops has been found. Hulle het twee meisies geskiet. Imagine, look at your daughter today and tell me how would you feel as iemand jou dogter deur die kop skiet? I will never leave this thing. Die laities almal van hulle gaan tronk toe. Hulle gaan tronk toe. Ek sê julle nou, die tronk het vir my gechange. Die tronk moet vir hulle ook change. Julle maak die mense se kinders dood en ry gepak. In oral. And you mustn't come show me a video here. Any fool can see how the time jumps on that video. It jumps like popcorn. We also know who's the person. I even know where he works. That has been tampering with the videos. That's why people have not been found guilty. They tamper with the videos like they tampered with this video. They changed the whole video. Ek sê nou vir julle, listen to what I'm saying to you. Ek is self op die sak. Die sak gaat nie gelos word. If that was my daughters, what I would have done, I'm doing now. To the cops, I salute you. You've been working very hard around the clock. Ons gaat, die anders confess nou, gangsters praat nou. Laat hulle praat, wie het ons kinders so doodgemaak en ry gepak. and Eldos and Westbury, they must talk. For too long, leaders of political parties bow to gangsters. I'm not that type. Ek sê vir julle vandag, ek staan vir my mense wat vir my gevote het. People are scared to even report a crime because julle kom maak die mense dood. Julle moet regkom. Julle moet regkom. Ek sê vandag vir julle. Julle moet regkom. Julle moet op hoe mense se kinders so doodskiet, like julle maak honde dood. Die doodstraf sal terugkom vir julle, ek sê vir julle. So, leave this thing of innocent. Daar's niks innocent daar nie. All you must do, don't take my word. Go check at the corner of every video that you see. You see, julle moes nooit die kinders doodgeskiet het nie. They're not gangsters. They're young girls with a future. Ek soek net, nou is 'n stil en gepak. Ons wil 'n stiller hê. Ons wil Eldo stil hê. You can't be killing people. Our people live in fear, man. I listened to a video of Menenberg with tears in my eyes. How the bullets were just... They shoot today. I saw a mother crying again. Enough is enough. Ons staan op. I'm glad one of them speak to say who makes bullets for them. Kerkmense. And I have paid already the lawyers of the PA to tell them be on standby to make sure nobody gets bail. The politicians, as I hear there's politicians involved, there's police involved, they must all come out. Their names must all come out. Ons is moeg. Ons kan nie so doodgemaak word as we are victims. We are standing up. If you know about the killer, I will never ever mention your name. Ek is nie bang vir hulle, like julle sommer nou sê, ek is Gaten. Kom sê my wie dit is. Ek gaan crime intelligence, ek praat met die minister, ons gaan hulle optel. You can give me the information. I give you my word. I will never mention your name. The people that gave me the information of these boys, I will never mention their names. I rather it has to stop. It has to stop. I'm addressing this matter today. That everybody must know. Ons lewe, ons kan nie, is ons dan so bang, dat ons net doodgemaak word, links, reg, dan lewe die mense nog tussen ons. Ons moet opmasseer, een van die dae. Al die gangsters, wat so die vroumense skiet, kinders skiet. Die polisie wat involved is in die poliestasie, we must expose all of them. It has to stop. It has to stop. Wat 'n gangster skiet 2 onskuldige meisies, wat gaan vuur koop. They went to go and buy wood to make a fire. These people, I am glad. Ek is tussen in die saak. Daar word niks gesmokkel hier nie. Daar word niks 10.000 betaal, 'n saak moet verlore gaan nie.